Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you how to fix the black screen issue on your Samsung TV. As you can see here guys, this is a Samsung TV set, and of course I'll be showing you how to deal with the problem where your display is black or blank. Alright, so one of the first things you want to do guys, if your display is black or blank, is to go ahead guys and you're going to locate the plug. And the power plug is usually somewhere around the power outlet. Let's hope you have one of those easy setups so you can actually find the plug itself. So go ahead and go to the outlet to find the plug to your device. Alright guys, so once you're at the plug guys, go ahead and find the plug and you're gonna plug it out. Please note guys, in terms of the plug itself, make sure that you plug it out. You're gonna wait a minute. Do not wait for less time. So go ahead and make sure, give it a minute or so, and once you unplug the device, go ahead and wait. Once you have waited the time period, go ahead and plug back in the TV of that minute. So go ahead and plug it in. Alright, and once you try that guys, the TV should start working again. If that fails, the second thing I want you to try guys is to go ahead and plug it out. So this is only if it doesn't work and the TV doesn't come back on. Go ahead and plug it out completely. We're going to do a complete power cycle. So once you plug it out, you're going to go to the TV itself. So as you can see here guys, it's the TV. So go ahead and find the power button. As you can see here, this is the power button under here. So go ahead and locate. I know it's hard to see. It's usually to the center or usually halfway between the right or halfway between the left. So once you locate the power button, simply while it's plugged out, so make sure it's plugged out at the plug. So make sure it's plugged out. So make sure it's plugged out. So once it's plugged out guys, go ahead and find the power button. Of course the light will be off. I'm just demonstrating. So go ahead and once you find the power button, go ahead and press and hold. And you're going to hold for 60 seconds while it's plugged out. And once you hold for that 60 seconds, remember the light is not going to be on. I'm only demonstrating here just to show you what I mean. And of course once you hold for 60 seconds, go ahead again. You're going to go back to the outlet and you're going to plug in the TV once again. So go ahead and plug in the TV completely. And once you do guys, of doing the plugging in the TV, what you're going to find is that you should be able to find that the TV is going to power back on. So you can go ahead and try to power on the TV. So I'm going to try to power on the TV now. And in most cases, it should fix the issue and the TV should come on 100%. If you're in a situation where you cannot locate the power plugs due to the wiring of your building, you can also try to do this from the breaker panel by turning off the power to the building. It's a little bit trickier, but of course, depending on your situation, you might have to remove some panels to get to those power plugs or get behind the TV itself. So you might have to get a little creative. Alright, next, if that doesn't work guys, what you're going to do is, let's say for example, you are connected to a cable box or a gaming console and you're getting either the black screen or the no signal on the TV. What you're going to do next guys is to make sure that you're on the correct source. Now you see this button up here guys, sometimes your device that you have connected is on the wrong source. So make sure that that device like the PlayStation or cable box is plugged in, and then of course you're going to try to go to the back of the TV to see where the HDMI is plugged in. Let's say it's on HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. And you're going to press the source. If there's only one source, it will not switch. But of course, you can see here, this is saying TV is the first source. If you press, if you have ultimate source, it should show those other sources like cable box, gaming console. And if you press the source button at the top here, let me try to show you. If you press the source button, it should switch between those sources. And what's going to happen is that it's going to switch between various sources. By switching between the various sources, it will come on and the screen will not be black anymore. So you want to check those. So there you go guys, there's 3 different methods to try to make sure that your device stops displaying that black screen and should come back on. If you have any direct questions, please ask them below. As always, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, and bye until next time. Bye.